guys, welcome to Forex channel because I'm into the financial market. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon that turns on the video. So each time we post a video like this, YouTube can easily get notified and you to consider directly as who are new into this video. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, this Pro Forex, the only place where we teach people how to trade, how to earn, and how to manage risk. So this is the right place and this is the right YouTube channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, that like, and also notification. So every time I post a video, YouTube can easily engage me with it. As you all can know, so I am documenting my day to trade forex activities on my YouTube channel. So this is why I am bringing you another episode. Please, if you haven't watched our last video for the weekend, this is where I teach about the psychology and risks management behind forex trading. So why do I do this all the stuff is go and watch in my weekly chart analysis breakdown where I break down trade of the week, where I break down how we took trade for the week. So if you have not traded, if you have not watched the video, please don't forget to watch it for educational content and man and see how we trade for so today I'll be talking without too much of the time. You guys love educational content and you guys love profit. So we'll be talking more of I tried FundedNext and this happened. So you may be asking me, wow, what happened and how do I manage this? So follow me. So this profile called FundedNext. Before we go forward, what is profile? Profile are financial institution that give people money to trade, and when they pass the first one, the first two, they get funded. So what are these things for retail trader like me, like you, who don't have a lot of money to trade with the banks? We trade with profit, and when we get past, they get us funded, and we withdraw our money. So I pay a fee of about $59 on the evaluation challenge for the next, and I fail the account, and this happened. So what do I feel the account here? So I was trading. What's funny is why do I feel this account was? I was trading in the YouTube channel. I was trading then, and I got this challenge that makes me say, okay, let me just pass it one day. You can imagine. So after doing the analysis, I sent this video to the YouTube channel when I teach and I train people how to trade. I sent it to the seminar group, and so you boys can understand it better. So immediately I sent to the group when it retest to form a W pattern. Yeah, this is what is W pattern for you? The W pattern is a form of W in our A, B to Z. W pattern is a form of double bottom or double top according to Forex terminology. Yeah? So you want to form that W pattern, it took an entry with a one standard law risk was focus of 15 pips. Yeah. So immediately I took it, there was a news flash. So after the news flash, I saw that the volatility increased and it ate our stop loss. Then that's how we lose the challenge. Follow us, let me show you what is fundedness. Peace. What's up, my guys? So as you can see here, this is the Stellar account, the evaluation account, the Express account, and the Stellar Lights. So you know that each trader has their way or their trading style. You will be a swing trader while I will be a day trader. You may be I'm a day scalper while you are a day trader. So that is how fundedness came out different with different type of challenge that suit your style. Yeah, this is the Stellar account. Yeah, up to 95% profit split, 15% profit share in challenge phase, up to 115% reward, no time limit. That means you can pass the challenge today and you get funded today. So that's what this trading. You can trade NFP, you can trade CPI, you can trade FOMO, and so forth and so on. So this is the evaluation account. In evaluation, we all know that in common terms, evaluation is when we are being given a something to test our ability if we are qualified to do. So here we have up to 95% profit split, 50% from share in challenge phase, up to 10% maximum loss limit, up to 150 reward news allowed. So you see now in this stellar account, there is nothing like maximum loss limit. So let's go to this express account. This express account state that we have a 95% profit split, we have 15% profit share in challenge fees, we have up to 10% maximum loss limit. That means if you lose 10% of the account from your balance or your equity, you have lost the channel. You have to retake another one. News trade is not allowed. News trade is allowed. News trade is allowed. So you can see this is the stellar. This is the stellar light. Up to 95% profit split. Super affordable. Up to 10% maximum loss limit. Lowest profit target. News trading allowed. So you as a person, you have to choose the difference like your style of trading. So let me quickly show you the fee they charge before you can get this challenge. So this is on Stellar. On Stellar to get, they have the 6K account, they have the 15, they have the 25, they have the 50, they have the 50,000, they have the 100,000 to 200,000. So for the 60,000, you have with $65 you can buy it. For the 15 with $129, 290, 325, 569, and the 2000, which is 1,999, you can get it. So as you can see, there you are see the rules abiding to them. So let me quickly show you the evaluation phase. These are phase one. This is the evaluation phase. Just with $49 you can get the 6K account. With $99 you can get the 15K account. With $199 you can get the 25K account. With $299 you can get the 50K account. With $549, with $999 you can get the 200K account. So let me show you this express here. As you can see, this is the express. The express with $49 you can get the 6,000 challenge. With $15 with for 99, same thing, same thing. So let's check this stellar light. So let's check on this stellar light. Yeah. So this stellar light, yeah, with $32 you can get the 5K account. With $59 you can get this. With 139 you can get this. With 229 you can get the 50K account, and with 399 you can get the 100K account. So I'll be trying FundedNext soon, and I've tried it. I want you guys to click on the link in the description box and join me, guys. So as you can see, if you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to click the like button, share, subscribe, and invite other students to join our Telegram channel free of charge. So we have drop signal back to back. So if you want to see how to treat and how we treat this challenge with FundedNext, please don't forget to join us, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section what you think about the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace. We'll be bringing you people back to back banger. Peace. Don't forget to watch.